Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your age on your Roblox account. So first you open your browser, then you access to Roblox website and log into your account. After that, on the top right corner you will see the gear icon. You click on that, then in the options you will see the first option, settings. You click on settings. Then in the sections here you are going to be in the first section, account info. You are going to scroll a little bit down. You will see the personal informations and you will see here your age and your birthday. You are going to click on this button, edit. Then you can change your age to whatever that you want. Then you click on continue, and just like this you can change your age in Roblox. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.